Hello friends, I am Dr. Bharat and you are watching an initiative of Divyarishi Arogyam Sansthan in which you get informative health tips for a healthy life. Friends, say yes to pain-free joints and pain-free life with few health tips. Number 1. Manage your weight. If you are overweight, then reduce it as extra weight puts more pressure on knees, feet, hips and other joints. Number 2. Go for light exercises like swimming, walking, cycling. Doing this helps in managing weight and also maintains good flexibility of joints. Number 3. Wear proper fitting shoes that provides shock absorption and proper stability. Number 4. Avoid eating processed foods added with sugars and preservatives that causes inflammation of the joints. Number 5. Adopt high protein, calcium rich foods like milk, green leafy vegetables, tofu and fruits like apple, pomegranate and kiwi, as these have high inflammatory agents which lowers joint pain and keep them strong and healthy. Number 6. Body massage with any herbal oil relieves joint pain and improves joint flexibility. And finally, regular practice of yoga keeps both body and joint in a healthy state. So friends, if you are not able to follow the given tips at home, then you can contact our center to buy ortho balm, oil and tablets. Since it is purely Ayurvedic medicine, it will provide relief from joint pain and other related problems. To order the medicine, click the below link or call to the given number below. Friends, I hope you have liked this informative video. If you have liked this video, then share it with your friends, family and relatives so that they can also be benefited from it. If you have not subscribed to our channel, then subscribe it so that whenever we upload such an informative video, you can get its notification. Apart from this, if you want to ask me anything, then you can ask by commenting below in the comment section. If you are suffering from any joint related problems and seeking for Ayurvedic treatment, then you can contact us for free consultation. Thank you.